Looking to invest in Fort Worth real estate? With a growing population, competitive pricing, and a booming economy, Fort Worth offers unique opportunities for savvy investors. This guide walks you step by step through rules, financing, neighborhood selection, and strategies to make your next investment a success. Fort Worth is attracting professionals, families, and businesses alike. From lively downtown streets to emerging residential areas, investors can find high-demand locations with potential for steady returns. Before buying, know the local regulations. Short-term rentals are limited, and inspections, occupancy certificates, and registration requirements can affect your timeline and costs. Successful investors combine data with boots-on-the-ground research. Focus on emerging neighborhoods near schools, transit, and job centers to maximize rental demand. Model realistic rents, expenses, and exit strategies. Stress test for interest rate hikes, slow lease-ups, and consider financing options that align with your investment goals. Work with inspectors, contractors, and property managers who know Fort Worth. Track performance, stabilize your properties, and plan your next project to grow your portfolio efficiently.